In 2024, finding a profitable side hustle is easier than ever, thanks to the rise of digital platforms, remote work opportunities, and the ever-expanding gig economy. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a big goal, pay off debt, or even transition into full-time entrepreneurship, there are countless side hustles that can help you achieve financial freedom. The key is choosing a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and availability, ensuring that it remains both profitable and sustainable in the long run. One of the most popular and flexible options is freelancing, which allows you to use your existing talents to earn money on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, video editing, translation, or data entry, you can easily find work from businesses and individuals looking for remote professionals. Freelancing provides the freedom to set your own rates, work on projects that interest you, and build a portfolio that could lead to higher-paying opportunities in the future. Additionally, remote work has become more common, making it possible to freelance while keeping a full-time job, allowing you to earn extra income without major sacrifices. Another excellent side hustle for those with teaching or mentoring skills is tutoring or online coaching. If you're knowledgeable in subjects like math, science, English, coding, or test preparation, platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, Wisent, and Preply allow you to connect with students worldwide and offer one-on-one tutoring. You can also start your own coaching business by teaching valuable skills such as fitness training, career development, personal finance, or public speaking through social media, webinars, and online courses. Many coaches and consultants use Zoom, YouTube, or Instagram to build their brands and attract clients. Speaking of digital products, selling digital goods has become one of the best ways to generate passive income. If you have expertise in creating ebooks, printables, templates, spreadsheets, stock photos, or even music tracks, you can sell them repeatedly on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Teachable, and Creative Market. Unlike physical products, digital items don't require inventory or shipping, making them an ideal source of income for those looking to make money with minimal overhead. Another lucrative online business is dropshipping and e-commerce, where you sell products without holding inventory. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon FBA, and eBay, you can set up an online store and source trending products from suppliers who handle storage, packing, and shipping. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service while generating sales. For those who enjoy engaging with an audience, content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can be a profitable venture. Content creators earn money through multiple income streams, including ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling their own merchandise or digital products. While building an audience takes time and effort, those who are consistent and provide valuable content can eventually turn their passion into a full-time income. Similarly, blogging and affiliate marketing continue to be highly lucrative side hustles in 2024. By starting a niche blog or website, you can write about topics you're passionate about, whether it's travel, technology, personal finance, health, or fashion, and monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. Programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate allow bloggers to earn commissions by promoting products and services through their content. The key to success in blogging and content creation is driving traffic to your platform through SEO, social media, and email marketing. For those who own assets they're not using full-time, renting out property, vehicles, or storage space can be a great way to earn passive income. If you have a spare room, Airbnb allows you to rent it out to travelers, while Turo lets you earn money by renting your car. Platforms like Neighbor and Stowit allow people to rent out extra garage or storage space to others who need it. These side hustles require minimal effort and can generate consistent income without actively trading time for money. Another flexible way to make extra cash is by participating in the gig economy. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, and TaskRabbit provide opportunities for drivers, couriers, and service providers to earn money on their own schedules. Whether you prefer driving passengers, delivering food, or doing handyman work, these gig-based platforms offer flexibility and immediate income. Similarly, with the increasing demand for online shopping and package delivery, working as an Amazon Flex driver can be a profitable option for those looking to make extra money on a part-time basis. One of the fastest-growing opportunities in 2024 is AI-related side hustles, such as AI-generated content creation, AI consulting, or selling AI-powered services and tools. With advancements in artificial intelligence, many businesses and individuals are looking for ways to integrate AI into their operations. If you have experience with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation platforms, you can offer AI-based writing, image generation, chatbot development, or workflow automation services to businesses. Similarly, those with technical skills can develop AI-driven applications, plugins, or automation tools that help people save time and boost productivity. AI-related side hustles are particularly profitable because the demand is high, and businesses are willing to pay for innovative solutions that enhance efficiency. In addition to AI and digital business opportunities, investing in real estate, stocks, and crypto can also be a great side hustle if done strategically. Real estate investing, whether through rental properties, flipping houses, or REITs, real estate investment trusts, can generate long-term wealth. Investing in stocks, ETFs, or dividend-paying companies can also provide passive income over time. Cryptocurrency and NFT investments, while riskier, have proven to be highly profitable for those who understand market trends and invest wisely. Platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and Binance make it easier than ever to get started with investing. No matter your skills, interests, or time availability, there is a side hustle out there that can help you earn extra cash and work toward financial independence. The key to success is choosing a side hustle that aligns with your strengths, setting realistic goals, and staying consistent with your efforts. Many side hustles start as small, part-time ventures, but grow into full-time businesses with dedication and persistence. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, your side hustle could eventually replace your main job, providing you with more freedom, financial security, and the ability to do what you love on your own terms. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll begin to see results. So don't wait. Start exploring these opportunities today and take control of your financial future.